Mountains and oceans pose a problem for migrating birds. Why is this, you may ask? Birds that migrate over the ocean are physically unable to take breaks and pause while over large bodies of water. And birds that migrate through the mountains have very limited routes of travel and again have difficulty finding places to land for rest. It is not surprising that over hundreds of years of evolution, it has been found that migration strategies of many different types of species have converged into a single route. Non-seabirds that travel over the ocean, on average, migrate at higher speeds because these flights are non-stopped over long distances. Birds of North America are found to take different flight patterns, which can be classified into 3 categories. 1. Clockwise, 2. Repeated, and 3. Counterclockwise. Clockwise and counterclockwise have different routes going to and from destinations. Repeated pattern is where the same path is taken there and back. It is found that clockwise flight pattern is mostly used for crossing the ocean, as it takes the shortest path. Since migration over land is less constrained, all 3 migratory patterns are found to be used. In conclusion, migration patterns and strategies of many different species have converged over time. It seems that birds of a feather really do flock together.